It's our first real day in Prague. We got in late last night, hit the bars up. Now we get to experience the daytime stuff. Charles Bridge, we're gonna go Prague Castle. We're gonna show you all the best sights in Prague. First though, we're getting breakfast at a little place right here. So see you inside. I'm getting a full-on farmer's breakfast for under $13.
They give you an espresso shot, 3 cubes, and then you gotta add water.
All right, we got the farmer's breakfast here. Got my green tea. I didn't realize we also got waffles. That looks pretty good right there. Just had our breakfast. It was pretty good. It's like 800 crowns total. Now we're about to go across the bridges. They got the park over there. Or actually, we might go to Charles Bridge over this way.
Let's go Charles. Let's go Charles and Old Town before
we're going Charles. Over here we got Charles Bridge. That's where we're going. Gonna go across and up there to the castle. Hey Bill. All right, going through the bridge. We made it here to Charles Bridge, probably the most famous thing in Prague. It's awesome. I looked at it all the time on Google, but in person, this place is crazy. Think about doing a little boat ride or some boat bars too later. So you guys may see that, but we are still going up there. Our Airbnb is just like right over there. We have the view of the Prague Bridge I showed you guys earlier. And now we're here. Look at those tourists over there. You know, Billy boy looking for souvenirs. We got souvenirs all along the bridge. Some parts are under construction right now, but it all looks really cool here. Aaron says he's never even been to this side, never even went to the castle, but he's been in Prague 4 times now.
Yeah, that's my 4th time.
How come you didn't do it? You're just having too much fun at Old Town?
Yeah, I think too much boozing.
Yeah, over there's some good boozing. You guys are gonna see that.
There's the Eiffel Tower.
But Bill was pointing out the Eiffel Tower. That's not what it's really.
That and absinthe.
Yeah, we're gonna drink some absinthe later. You ready for that, Bill?
Yeah, boy. I'm ready to get lit, boy.
These guys don't trust my navigation. I steered them wrong yesterday, but today I think I'll be good. We got signs right here. Actually, I probably will take them to a dead end again. Whoa, it's slippery out here. What y'all laughing about? So they got all these different trams that we haven't tried yet, but maybe later when we're tired of walking. They also had this historic tram number 42. We'll be on that one later. Heading up to the castle, just up here to the right. Got a little walk uphill though, getting our exercise in for the day. How you feeling? We're gonna be walking all day long. Cool little plaza over here. We have stumbled upon the oldest bar in Prague. The oldest pub since 1375. Looks pretty cool, but
You guys want to go?
let's see. Getting our workout in today. Look at that leg tattoo Bill got. Yeah, that one on the left right there. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Looks like a little spot we could have a viewpoint and a drink. We're gonna have to do that because it's hot. Oh man. It's just like in England with the Royal Guard. Their version of Buckingham Palace. Popular place. A big line to get in here. Well, here we are. Had to go through the little security thing.
That's so much cooler.
But we got a cafe, restaurant in the garden over there. We might need to go check that out. But all this area is free to see.
Yeah,
it's real cool.
There's a restaurant out that way.
We got all the different tour groups. We got like every language going on here. Alright, this is where all the tourists are. It is busy in here, but for a good reason. As you can see, this is beautiful. Nice stained glass. So there's so many little areas in this castle area. You don't even have to go in the castle because there's plenty to see outside here. Nice statues, nice buildings, all this beautiful architecture. Honestly, it's a little bit cooler than I expected. It is busy though, a lot of tourists.
Damn, look at those things. Those are like little figurines.
Gargoyles?
Yeah.
Just can't go through there. Guy with the gun waved me away. Well, I think that's pretty much the end of our little castle experience. Now we just need to go get a drink. They got a little cafe garden thing over there. Let's go take a peek at this little cafe restaurant in the garden. Got a couple little tables out here, but I thought it was gonna be a better view. So we're gonna go with this other one called kuchin, which means kitchen in Czech. These are cool trees, or bushes. That was a good time seeing all that, and we didn't even have to pay anything. That's the best type of activity right there. For you guys who are on a budget, see all this architecture for free. There are a lot of people out here. They gotta have something. Oh, they got like a royal ceremony going on. Let's go take a peek. Changing of the guard. Everybody's watching the change of the Royal Guard, which happens every day, I think, at noon. Got such a nice view out here. Right here, have a drink. We're here at Kuchin finally. It is time for a well-deserved beer.
Hey, how's it going?
I'll have some drinks.
Three of us just get some drinks
Tam kola, pivo a pak ještě nevím.
Ordering some Pilsner Urquell, one of my favorite beers. Got a view out there. Pilsner Urquell.
Is this the grape?
Guess I'm drinking alone. These guys are drinking juice. Cheers to the Royal Guard. Doing a good job.
Cheers.
You ain't even got alcohol, but cheers. This beer tastes 10 times better with a view and after working out. All right, going to sit by myself. So we got more tables down here with umbrellas for this hot sun. Not sure what this is for. Standing on to get the view, maybe? It is a beautiful view. Awesome. Cheers. Yeah, we walked pretty far. Our place is way down there. Walked all through the bridge and uphill. Finally made it. Everybody's probably about to come have drinks now because
I might even try that.
they're leaving.
Good too.
They're done. They did their shift.
Oh yeah.
There they go. Hey, that's a lot of people getting off. 20, 30 guards. So I had a beer, Pivo. It was 62 krones. We just had our drinks up there. That was an awesome spot with a great view right next to the castle. Can't beat it. So now where do we want to go? I'm just thinking we're going down.
Me and Bill learned a new word. A new word.
Yeah.
Deek.
It
means thanks.
Hit subscribe, smash that like button, cause I'm back. I got new videos about Prague. We're about to go on a boat tour, so get ready.